Hi, and welcome to Software Design and Development, Testing, Lesson 2, Unit or Module Testing. Unit or Module Testing is when we test each module as if it's its own program. We don't examine how a module interacts with other modules, example through passing parameters. We just look at the logic of the program. The module, sorry. So the common errors that we see here include incorrect mathematical calculations or illegal calculations, such as divide by zero. We look at issues with files, inputting, outputting, writing, storing. Do all those things work fine? Control errors, whether we use loops correctly, whether we use the right selection control structures, such as if and case where, whether we actually use them correctly or not. Data structure errors, things with flags, counters, accumulators, whether something's counting properly, whether a flag is triggered properly or not. Type mismatches, when you compare variables with different variable types. So things like comparing integers to a string, that may cause an issue depending on your programming language. If you try to write a string to an integer, that may cause an issue depending on the programming language. It all depends. Some programming languages are very strict on variable typing and some are not. So again, it depends on the language that you're using. And lastly, the incorrect use of logical operators, using an AND instead of a not, instead of an or vice versa.